Looking for the best space heater for small room? But what product are out there, and how do you choose? I've made this a little easier for you, by covering one of the best space heater you can currently find on the market. If you are looking for a reliable and highly effective space heater, the Dreo Space Heater for indoor use fits that desire perfectly. Features an impressive built-in precise temperature sensor. The Smart Eco mode adjusts the working mode independently based on the ambient temperature. Another cool thing about this model, is that it has 70 degrees wide-angle oscillation, with a lifespan of over 750,000 cycles, boosts heating coverage by 20%, which helps distribute the warm air more evenly towards the room's corners. And the compact design makes it easy to move around. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we think this model is the best value product. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.